Okay, everyone, I cannot stand Cat's game. The reason why I cannot stand that user is because that user thinks it's funny to pull fire alarms for fun, to press the emergency shut off button, to prank call 911, to go through the emergency exit door, and to lift the emergency roof hatch on the school bus and open the emergency window on the bus. This user should be in jail for messing with emergency equipment, including fire alarms. You know that this stuff is against the law. This ain't funny because all of this stuff puts people's lives in danger. Be smart, don't be stupid. Don't do any of that, or else you could go to jail if you mess with emergency equipment, including fire alarms. Bye.